Hi there, how are you all? Hope all you are well in your home and doing your study. Dear students, today we will discuss another series class of the previous class, the class that has been published just a day before one day, and that will be another class for transformation of sentences. Okay, transformation of sentences, and today we'll learn about assertive to exclamatory. Assertive to exclamatory. Dear students, hope you have taken your pen and paper and you will try to understand the class by watching the full video with full concentration. I think it will definitely help you to learn new tips and tricks to solve these sort of problems. Okay, this class is appropriate for all the secondary and higher secondary classes. And if the persons who are searching for jobs, this class will also help them for the interview for sure. So, dear students, please let's get started. First of all, we have to know what are the characteristics of and exclamatory sentences. Okay, so the characteristics, if you for doing anything, if at first you just think about the characteristics of the sentence, it will help you to find out the answer very easily. Okay, so let's check. First we will get all the there are some examples. All the examples are from assertive sentence. Okay, so what type of sentence? For example, it is an excellent idea. Friday was a fine holiday. We know that in assertive sentence there is at first a subject, after that auxiliary verb or main verb, after that an object, or if any extension needed, that is included. So what should we do? If we find there are some rules, according to the rules, what are the rules? If you get any adjective or any adverb that is supporting the noun after that, okay, that's supporting the noun after that, then you should start with what? You should start with what? But there is a very easy trick that will help you to do that or understand that very easily. What is that? If you find an article, okay, like that, article just after the verb, okay, so if you get an article, you can start these sentences with what, a or what, an. Okay dear, hope you understand. If you find an article just after what, just after the subject and verb, then you can start with what, a or what, an. And very first, so as we making a differentiate on the basis of article, so what can you do? You can make two portion, like before article, after article. That is a part, that is a part. Please listen it very carefully. That will help you to understand it at a single chance. Okay, so what are we doing? We have kept the article in the middle and we have two portions, make two portions. That is, it is one portion, excellent idea, one portion. So what will we do? We will start with what, okay, and after that we will write the last portion of the sentence. What? We will write the last portion. What is the last portion? Excellent idea. What is the last portion? Excellent idea. So, as excellent, that is vowel, we will start here and what an excellent idea. After that, just the first portion, just write the first portion as usual. It is and must give an exclamation. Okay, it is, dear students, Please watch that portion clearly. Watch that portion. Most of the students here make the mistake. They write it, is it. They write it, is it. Why? Because they most frequently do interrogative sentence which give message in their brain that you should write is it, not it is. But just remember, here we have just, it's like slice of cake. That is one slice, that is one slice, that is another slice. Just after bottom, you write the last slice, and after that you write the first slice. That means as usual as it is. Okay? Don't change it. So dear students, hope you understand. Now come back to the next one, and that is like that. Friday was a, that is one portion, a another portion, fine holiday. Fine holiday, that is another portion. So at the same theory, same thing we will apply here. And what will you do? What a fine holiday. Then, so what we write? What a, after that fine holiday, last portion, and after that we will write the first portion. Friday was, and we will give also the exclamation. Okay, so we will give the exclamation. Hope that you understand it very easily. That is a very easy process. So now we will check the other things. He is a peculiar man. He is a peculiar man. So what should we do for that? That's a negative idea, negative suggestion, isn't it? Silly idea, okay? If you find any negative comments for anybody, for anything, you can omit this word, okay? So, it is better actually to omit this word. So, what is? That is one portion, that is the last portion, and in the middle. So, what can we do? What a, that is the peculiar is the word that is showing the negative quality of the person. Okay, so we can omit this. What a man he is. You don't need to write what a peculiar man he is. What a peculiar man he is, you don't need to write that. Okay, what a man he is. Okay, like that. It is a silly idea. So it is silly idea. Then if we divide like that, so I think it's pretty easy, you know that. So what an idea. Okay, what an idea it is here. So if we omit silly, as we omit silly, the word idea came just after the article. So for that vowel I, we have written here, and what an idea, and it is written as usual. Okay, it is written as usual. So hope that that portion is very much clear to you. So we will do the rest. Just watch that example and try to give your memory a message that you have understood that. So the students, hope that you understand that, and we will now do the rest of the things. Look at these sentences. He is very well. The play was completely amusing. I wish I were a child again. These sentences are a little bit different, isn't it? So we will also do that in a different way. He is very well. He is very well. So if we don't have, actually the main rule is that if you find that the adverb or the adjective is highlighting the next noun, verb or adjective, so you will have to start it with how. You will start it with how. But the easy trick is that, the tricky thing is that if you don't find any a or an, okay, any article, so you can start with how. You can start with how. He is very well. So how, okay. So in that case, he is very tall. So in that case, you will also be able to start with the first portion, he is, then very tall, after very and completely, this sort of word, the adverb that are actually emphasizing on next noun or next adverb. So you should omit this, keep these things in the middle, and after that the rest of the things. Okay. So he is. I have divided this sentence into three parts. First one is he is. The first part, very and tall. So we will omit the word that is belongs to the adverb that is actually putting the emphasis. Okay. So how tall he is. Okay. So we don't need. We never write is he. We never write. We should not never write is he. And the students actually make mistakes in that case. They write is he. So please avoid that. So the play was completely amazing. So what should we write here? The play was, that is one portion, completely another portion, amazing another portion. Okay. So what will we write? How amazing the play was. Okay. And completely will be omitted. Okay. Completely will be omitted. Okay. So I wish I were a child again. So if I got I wish, dear students, if I got I wish, we will use if. We will use if instead of I wish. Instead of I wish, we will get use if, and that will make our work pretty easy. So what can we write here? If I were a child again. Okay, just if I were a child again. That is very much easy, I think. That just what have we done? We have omitted the I wish. We have omitted the I wish and written if I were a child again. So the next one, I wish I had been a magician. If I get had been, that is the rule. What if I get had been? We will have to think in a different way. What is the way? Had, we will start it with had. Had I been a magician. Okay. So dear students, that is very easy. Just you omit the I wish and start the sentence with had. So had I been a magician. Okay. And if that we wish or we get would. Okay. We get would or would. We'll start the sentence with would that or if. We'll start the sentence with would that or if. So please start the sentence with would that. Would that. Okay. What that? We will start with would that. Okay. Then we could be champion. Okay. So dear students, hope that you understand that. We have done almost all types of examples. I hope that you understand, and these examples will clear this chapter totally. So please practice that sentences at home and try to make different sentences, different examples to make you perfect in that chapter. And if you find any problem to understand that, please leave your comment in the comment box. I will try to solve that problem. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and to like and share the video. Please share the video for your friends and classmates so that they can be benefited from that video, and hope that you will all do well in your upcoming days. So best of luck. Goodbye.
Fuck her in the Benz.